We're gonna clean this up big time today. I'm so ready. I'm so happy to get this beard straightened out, man. I've just been feeling like a bum. And really for me, there was really no point because my beard has already reached its full potential. But I did want to participate with you this year because last year, all I did was the mustache. I did the beard and the mustache this year. Check this out. So the mustache is looking like this, right? Some of y'all might not think it's too bad, but for me, I know I'm always cleaned up and everything like that. So this right here, unacceptable. Hair on the face, it doesn't really grow too much higher than where my beard normally is anyway. So even when I let it grow, it was still, you know, still there doing its thing. You can see the line, but not sharp at all. Up under the neck, oh boy, the neck went crazy, dog. Check that out, man. Hair just growing all over the place, looking wild. Side of the face, side of the beard. It was just out of control, right? And this is what it's looking like just without me doing nothing to it. Just woke up, brushed my teeth and everything. I've been actually shaving my head. I've been keeping up with that, but I just haven't been keeping up with my beard. But like I said, every day we like to do a fresh shave. So let's get to it. The shaving cream that I'm going to be using is the Scotch Porter. I've showed you guys this a couple of times. This actually does work pretty good. If you guys want some of this, the link for this is going to be in the description of this video. Also, make sure you go to the website BRDGNG.com. I'm going to be using the same razor that I've been using for a minute. This is the Schick Hydro 5-cents razor with one of the disposable blades that I switched out on it, which is actually the same type of blade. If you want to see the video where I did more in detail on this, click the card that pops up. Starting off by throwing some water on my head. Go ahead and grab the shaving cream right here. I gotta kind of hold it. This stuff will fall out of my hand real quick. But yeah, speaking of falling out of my hand real quick, it just fell on my finger from my hand. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and rub this in. Don't even need a brush to do it. I'm gonna make this head shave real quick because today's thing is really all about the beard. However, I definitely still gotta shave my head. So if you guys want to see in more detail me to explain stuff to you about how I shave my head and how I get the best results and stuff like that, there's plenty of cards that you can click on, or plenty of videos on my channel that you guys can actually click on for that. Right now, you guys will see in real time how quickly I'm able to just shave my head. I mean, I gotta give some tips, right? Y'all see it, small strokes. Small strokes, don't try to force yourself to go out quick, but damn it, I gotta go kind of quick. I got some things to do. Yo, I'm getting ready to head to the Soul Train Awards, man. Your boy might be on TV. That's why I really gotta shave this beard. Cause I'll be damned if they catch me on TV with a messed up beard when I know I keep my beard lined up and nice 99% of the time. Y'all can't catch me slipping. Not on TV, you can't. So that's why we get lined up real good today. Just clean it up, get the extra soap and stuff off my head. I'm not going to use no aftershave or nothing like that right now until I fix my beard up. Alright, now I was getting ready to jump in the shower first to, you know, soften the hairs up and everything like that. But you know what? I do think the hairs will cut a lot better while they're like, you know, stiff and, you know, just, I didn't put no moisturizer on my beard. Didn't do nothing to it. Literally just woke up not too long ago, brushed my teeth and cut the camera on. Alright, so I just plugged up the Andy Super Liners right here. Step 1. Oh, I'm feeling a million times better already. And I barely even did anything. Are you guys happy that I finally wear a white shirt today? So you guys can actually see my beard? It's actually the shirt of my face. Y'all want to pick this shirt up? NeverDenyMe.com. Go ahead over there. Get you one. Up under the neck is looking too clean. Now, when it comes to the side of my beard, I really do think I gotta hit it up a little bit. I just have to, because I'll be damned if I sit there and think I did a nice line and I comb it out and the line be way all up in the middle of the beard or something. Y'all see how the beard is looking right now? just hopped out the shower. Had to get some moisture in my beard before I go ahead and trim it. Because as I was trying to pick it out and stuff like that, while it was just bone dry, wasn't working out too well, snapping and everything like that. So had to jump in the shower. And what I used to prepare my beard was this right here. We got the Scotch Porter beard wash and conditioner. It's definitely been, you know, putting in that work. If you guys want some of the same stuff, the link is going to be in the description. Use my link. You might get a discount, and I'll get a little kickback from you guys being informed about Scotch Porter for me. Now I'm going to continue fading it in real quick. Then we're going to go ahead and cut it down some more. Right now I do have the 1 on here. Let me go ahead and hit it again with the 1. Alright, I definitely faded the beard in, lined it up and everything nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and knock some of the bulk down. As you guys can see, it just goes from nothing to just boop and like curved in. Whereas this one goes a little bit smoother, and I'm going to knock some off like right here as well. For this last part, I don't need no guard, no nothing. I need to just be real careful, have patience. We're going to go ahead and knock down some of the little stragglies right here. Y'all might be able to see little pieces like that are just sticking out. Little small fizz and stuff like that. It's on the side that doesn't want to really cooperate. We're knocking all that down. All right, beard's all lined up, everything. Got the beard balm right here, or beard butter. We're gonna throw this in here. We're gonna finish, go ahead and get dressed, man. This beard came out super nice. I no longer look like a bum, and I definitely don't feel like a bum no more, man. There it is. Now that we're done with that, I'll go ahead and throw the witch hazel on top of my scalp, just to cleanse it even more. Then I'm gonna throw some extra aftershave smell good on top of my head as well. Definitely helps preventing with the bumps and irritation when you throw that aftershave on there. So I think I'm looking good right now, man. I'm gonna go ahead and continue getting dressed. Actually put on what I'm really getting ready to wear to the awards. And I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. If you guys found this video helpful, definitely make sure you hit the thumbs up before you head up out of here. And if you ain't subscribed to me, why you even watching my tips, bro? Why you watching my tips for free and then you gonna click the subscribe button? Come on now, man. What? Have some manners, bro. Experience of the 2019 Soul Training Awards. Check me out, close to this day.